Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay, and so I'm here for my midweek video for you guys. I need 18 rebates for $5. Now I'm gonna be getting some of these from CVS with the Revlon. Yesterday I did the Revlon beauty tool. I did the tweezers for the eye one, which is $1 back, and then I did the one for the nail product one, which I got the emery boards again. And that counted as 2. So I think what I'm gonna do when I leave Walmart, I'll go over to CVS and I'll do it with the Revlon lip balms, which will count for the I think it's a BOGO offer on for CVS. I think it's like $7.50 back when you buy 2. So I'm thinking it should be a pretty decent deal. I'm gonna try to knock this out. But if you're new here and it's your first time seeing this lovely face, I'm Chanel. Go ahead and subscribe. Make sure that you also smash that like button. Support your girl. These little cats are so distracting me. They're so cute though. We always had cats growing up. We always had kittens and cats. And they were always, the name was always the color of them, like Blackie and Midnight and Golden and Tanny. It was so crazy, but they're super distracting for me right now because they're so darn cute. So without further ado, let's head in this store and see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab this week. Do you see them? I told you there are so many stray cats. Looks like somebody feeds these too. There's a bowl of cat food right there. I guess they're playing in the water bowl. I think what I'm gonna do is grab some water while I'm in there, and then I'll bring it out and fill up that water container for them. There was a black cat out there. Oh, then there's another one over there. See it? The far left? I think that's a bigger cat. Yeah. See it right by the gate. Yeah, I'm gonna get them some water when I come out. All right, guys, so the first deal, of course, is always gonna be at the checkout. Is the Coca-Cola Ultimate. Y'all, I've been killing this deal, and why did I just realize that you could do it twice a day? But I noticed actually my last haul, I think I did it twice. One of the apps I did it twice, and I didn't realize I did it twice. I thought it was once per week, but it actually is a limit of twice per day. I'm just gonna do it one per app though. So we're grabbing these, priced at $2.08. Grabbing them in sets of 4. I was thinking maybe it might pop up again on checkout 51, but it hasn't. And so we're gonna grab a total of 4 of them at $2.08. We'll end up paying $8.32 out of pocket, and then we'll get back $7 on Swagbucks, My Points Inbox Art. Ta-da! I'm making them only 33 cents each. All right, the next thing I'm gonna go ahead and grab is gonna be on the Weathers Originals. It's on the smaller packs. These are like the 2 ounce packs. They're priced at $128. I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 of them, and we'll end up paying $2.56 out of pocket, but we'll get back $1.50 for buying 2 on Swagbucks, My Points, and Box Art. Ta-da! And then we'll also get back 25 cents for each on Ibotta. I'll bring the total down to 56 cents for both of them, are only 28 cents each. So my next deal is on the Herdez Avocado Hot Sauce. It's priced at $2.48. We're gonna grab one of them, getting back $1.50 on Ibotta. We're bringing that down to only 98 cents. I feel like whenever I talk about this deal, I gotta chuckle a little bit, just a little bit, because I'm surprised it's still on my Shopkick. Like, it was gone, but then it came back like literally the next day. So I did it yesterday, still 1,100 kicks. I was thinking it might go up since it's been on there so long. So definitely gonna be doing this deal again and again. I'm just gonna use this for Halloween candy, and yeah, and keep it moving. And I might honestly not even buy any more than this, to be honest, because we don't really get a lot of trick-or-treaters in our neighborhood. And so we're gonna grab one at $2.94, one at $3.13. One of you guys was saying these are hella expensive in your area. I know they only carry them at, I want to say, 2 of 4 stores in my area. And so we're grabbing one again at $2.94, one is at $3.13, getting back 1,100 kicks on Shopkick, which is equivalent to $4.40. Makes one $1.27 moneymaker and the other $1.46 moneymaker. Now, I did have it on Ibotta. It popped back up, but then it didn't reset for me again. So if you still have it on Ibotta, it'll be a much bigger moneymaker for you. And so yeah. Okay, next up is going to be on the Weathers Originals. They are priced at $2.74. We want to grab a total of 2 of them. We'll end up paying $5.48 out of pocket, but then we'll get back, let me see, where is it at? 50 cents for each on Ibotta, and then there's also $2 on Swagbucks, My Points Inbox Art. Ta-da! which is going to basically bring these down to $1.24 per bag. Next up is going to be on the Clorox Disinfecting Mist. It's on the refill bottle price at $5.28. So you want to grab one of those. You're getting back $2 on Shopmium as well as $2 on Ibotta, bringing that down to $1.28. So Lysol wipes are priced at $3.47. We do have 50 cents back on Ibotta. We also have 75 cents on Shopmium Alexa. I think I saw it on my ta-da, but then it popped back off, so that might be an option if it reappears. That's gonna bring it down to $1.47. Next up is on the steam, you know, pesticide. It's priced at $7.32. We're gonna go and grab 2 of them on the pan. $14.64 out of pocket, but we'll get back, where is it at? $4 on Ibotta for buying 2. We'll also be getting back $7.50 for buying 2 on Shopmium and Alexa, which is basically going to make both of them free, plus a $4.36 money maker. Next up is on the U by Kotex, priced at $3.30. The online price is cheaper. It's like $2.97. So if I can price match that, I will. I'll end up paying $5.94. I'll be getting back $2 for buying 2 on Shopmium, and then Ibotta there is $2 for buying 2 plus a 10-cent any Fem Care. So it'll bring it down to free plus a like 16-cent moneymaker on that. Okay, so we got like a ton of razor deals. We're gonna go over as quickly as we can. So the first one's on the Shark Hydro Ultra Sensitive. It's priced at $9.87. For that, you want to go ahead and grab one of them. You'll get back $5 on Ibotta. There's also a rate on Shopmium as well for $4. So you'll end up getting that for 97 cents. Next up is the Shek Extreme, which is priced at $6.47. For this, you're grabbing one, getting back $3 on Ibotta. There's also $3 on Shopmium as well, making that one 47 cents. And then this one down here, $3 back on Ibotta, $3 back on Shopmium, Alexa, making that one only 78 cents. Then we have the Bic Easy Rinse, which is priced at $7.32. For this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. End up paying $14.64, but then we're going to be getting back $3 and where is that? 46 cents right here from Ibotta for buying 2. We're also going to get back $4 on Shopmium. I'm going to go ahead and do Alexa as well, which is going to bring it down to $1.59 each. Now I did have it on ta-da this morning, but when I got to the store, it was already gone. So if it pops up again, I'll definitely do it there as well. So the last razor deal that we're gonna go over is on the Shek Skin Timid, price at $6.47. Getting back $2 on Ibotta. We'll also be getting back $3 on Shopmium, bringing that down to $1.47. I'll probably do it on Alexa too, I ain't gonna lie. And so it'll make it a small money maker. So this deal over here, because it's super crowded over there, so it's on the Dove 0% aluminum deodorant. We're gonna grab the stick, which is priced at $6.18. It's on rollback, as well as a spray, which is also on rollback for $6.73. The total is going to come to $12.10. Now for this, I am using a BOGO coupon, which is right here. Last time I used it, it had to be manually entered, and it was it took off the cheaper one, right? Which is $6.18. You end up paying $6.73 out of pocket, but you'll get back 2 separate rebates on Shopkick. One is for $2.10 and one for $1.60, and then we got $2.50 back on Fetch Reward, and then $2 for each on Ibotta, making this a $3.47 moneymaker. Other thing I'm going to grab is going to be on the Ben deodorant, price at $2.67. You'll get back $1 on Shopmium and $1 on Alexa, making it 67 cents. The last 2 deals. We're going to grab the Advil Dual Action Back Pain. Again, it's priced at $4.28. You're going to get back 500 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2. We're also going to be getting back $1.50 on Shopmium, making that 78 cents. And then we're also going to be grabbing the Motrin Tylenol right here, which is priced at $5.97. And then for that, we're going to be getting back $2 on Ibotta, and then $2 on Shopmium as well as Alexa, making that a 3-cent moneymaker. Alright guys, so here is our complete haul for today, you guys. I'm so sorry for my lateness. This video is going to be so late. It's not even funny. Yes, yes, yes. For the person that said more Coke, yes. And more Chub, yes, yes. The Chubs is paying for the Coke. Alright, I'm going to do those deals. until they completely died. And so definitely going to keep doing those deals. I went ahead and added the few deals that I did at CVS. I went ahead and did the Dove Body Wash deal again. I did Revlon twice. I did CoverGirl once. So I went ahead and added all that into this video. Now the only coupon that I used at Walmart was for the Dove deodorant. And back in cosmetics, it didn't scan. And so she had to call CSM. So rather than have them come way back, I went ahead and just went up front. But then she didn't take off both deodorants. I thought she did. She only took off one. So I had to go to customer service anyways to do the return. While I was up there, the cashier there, she went ahead and did my BOGO coupon, which is really cool. All right, while I was up there, I had her price match these as well. I didn't share that in the video, but this is something I've gotten before. It's just lately it's been so hit and miss. Mostly miss though with price matching in store for me. I don't know if it's because they have a lot of new people there. Usually I don't have any issues with my regulars, but the newer cashiers don't really know. I don't know if it's just because they don't know how to do it, but usually if I go to customer service, I'm usually okay. And so I price matched those for $201 each, paid $402 and got back $670 on Ibotta, so I made that a great deal, which is good because I was going to do the Revlon lip at CVS, but since I did it at Walmart, I didn't have to go there. Other than that, you guys, that was it. That's the only coupon that I used for this haul at Walmart. And so everything else worked out really, really good. So everything you see here retails $209.49. I had $43.16 in coupons, CRTs or digitals, because we did go to CVS. And so that brought the out-of-pocket down to $166.33. I do walk away with $45.51 from Ibotta, $23.30 from Shopkick, $28.75 from Shopmium, as well as Alexa. Shopmium all went through already. I'm still waiting on Alexa for the larger receipt. We got back $12.25 from Tada, $7 from Inbox Dollars, $7 from Swagbucks, $7.48 from My Points, and then $3 from Fetch Reward, and then $19 in extra care bucks. So we walk away with a total of $182.04, making everything you see here free plus a $15.71 moneymaker, which is really, really awesome. Now, the tax for this was $11.59, and even after tax, we still make $4.12. So, not complaining, not mad at all with this haul. Awesome, awesome haul. Other than that, if you made it to this point in this video, I would love to see what I just made David and Josiah burgers. So I would love to see burgers and some fries in the comments if you got to this point in the video. Other than that, I will leave it there. You guys have the most amazing day night whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.